In front of me is POCO M8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can delete Google search bar from home screen. Begin by holding your search bar and waiting for this pop-up to show. When it does, tap on Remove option and wait. So when I do that, as you can see, my search bar was successfully deleted. If you wanna restore it, I can show you how to do that too. Just hold your display, hit Widgets at the bottom, and then tap on this icon at the top right corner to look for Google App. Once you find it, click on it. Then, when you see search bar widget, hit Add to home screen. Move it around to place it wherever you want to. And when you're ready, let go and hit Done at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!